The bull and bear market. How to make money on any market. This is the topic for today. As of this month, the S&P 500 stood at 5,597, up sharply from the March 2009 low of around 677. This is the perfect definition of a bull market. Whether you're trying to start investing today or you're thinking to not invest because you might be afraid that the next bear market or downturn of the market is around the corner, this is what we're going to talk about today. But before we do that, please don't forget to like and subscribe the video. It really helps the channel to reach more people and it doesn't cost you anything. So let's get started. Most of the time, I get questions like, is now a good time to invest? I am afraid I am investing right before a stock market crash. Maybe I should wait to invest after the crash so I don't lose any money. These questions are all about fear and greed, the two major emotions for any investor. Fear is understandable. Nobody wants to lose money in the market. But if you don't control your fear, what is going to happen is every time that you see any little correction within the market or a little downturn within the market, you're going to immediately panic and start selling everything. And what multiple statistical models have shown is that if you stay in the market, even when there is a correction, you will end up having a higher rate of return in the long term than if you start constantly withdrawing money from your market, trying to time it. That's the issue, that a lot of investors are trying to time the market, and you should not be trying to do that. What you got to do is, if the market goes down, that is excellent. You can buy at a discount. You continue buying at a discount. So then when it goes up, it's going up. So you continue buying. You're always buying, never selling, and always riding that upward trend of the market that is always going to grow. So don't pay attention to the noise. Every day you will see so-called experts saying you should invest in the market right now because it's at the beginning of a bull run, and the same amount of so-called expert is going to be telling you on the other hand that the market is about to crash, so you should be pulling out your investment. And people might say, well, why there is so much noise? Why there's so much news? Well, it's because they're in the business of selling you fear or selling you hope. Oh, come on! That will attract more people and they will be able to monetize that. And remember, if anybody could time the market consistently, they will be richer than Warren Buffett. And I don't know anybody that has achieved more success than Warren Buffett in the market. And the reason why he's so successful is because he has been in the market for a very long time. So the compound effect of everything that he has invested and continue to invest up to today has grown exponentially.
Show me the money.
So the question shouldn't be, do I invest in the market now or in the future? The question should be whether you should invest in the market at all. And the answer is quite simple. Until you can come to terms to understand that in the long run, the market is the single most important wealth building tool that you have, but in the short term, it will be a bumpy ride. The answer is no. Until you can be 100% sure to see your wealth at any point be cut in half, and you still remain in the position that I will stay in the market and I will continue to invest and I will not panic, I will not withdraw my funds in the short term for a long-term gain, the answer is no. Until you're comfortable with the risk that you're facing in the market, the answer is no. In the end, only you can decide. But fortunately, investing is not an all-in or all-out proposition. There's many ways that you can reduce the risk within your portfolio, and that is called portfolio management. And in future videos, I'm going to go in depth of how you can reduce the risk by still trying to achieve or achieving the highest rate of return possible. And thank you guys for staying until the end. I really wish you well. And remember, stay the course, pursuing your financial dream. Thank you and see you next week.